Hello everyone. So as we got Sunday, so just wanna quick share what I'm up to. I just in here have some tiny tests going on, but maybe one day I will talk about a little bit more. Anyway, yesterday as I was scrapping stuff, I found those things laying in my pile, and that was great stuff. I don't know what is actually it, but it's cool. Look how circuit boards it is inside. Nice high grade circuit board. Just cool. And I got like 4 of them, but only 3 have circuit board. One of them is just empty. Anyway, nice circuit boards for gold recovery, and piece of cast aluminum. Sorry, not cast, extruded. Anyway, that was from yesterday. Today I feel like grilling, so I did prepare something. There we go, all those goodness I will cook today. So my grill already warming up. Let's just quick look. No, there was another box of stuff what I need to go through. Cool. No, today I will not use this one. Anyway, potatoes looking good. Basically they are ready to dig out. Some of them already sticking out, so but anyway, that's my sweet pepper going okay. That's bell peppers, they are looking quite okay. A little bit too crowded, but still. And this pumpkin plant taking over everything. Just trying to squeeze those garlic in there, and there is one more, and here as well. Anyway, onions not so good looking. Yeah, it's looking okay. So that's what I'm up to today, guys. Just relaxed, grill something, maybe got some cold beers, and yeah, enjoy that Saturday. And yeah, I still got this big pile of cable to go through. Anyway, this one I not even touched yet. And last time we get some pieces like this as well. That's just cool. It's a little bit too big for my machine, but yeah, not much, and I believe it will be worth. Okay, so that's the cool stuff. Yeah, so that's it from me for now. So take care, guys. See you at the next one.